Dinner menus for tonight, and you know, maybe you can move dinner outside tonight. I mean, it's so nice.
Al fresco on Cinco de Mayo.
Go for it, a little picnic outside, you know. It is gorgeous out there right now. It's so nice to see the sunshine. Look at this up in Niagara County, a Lockport, Canal side, Erie Canal, and just not a cloud to be found, at least in that shot. Taking a little further south, Skyway shot, looking south of the downtown corridor there, and lots of blue sky, just a few clouds along the horizon. Working a little further south into Chautauqua County at Peak and Peak Resort, and you can see the blue sky down there, but notice the motion on the trees in that direction. They're kind of bouncing around a little bit. The breeze has picked up across the area as of noontime. In fact, we're looking at a 20-mile-per-hour wind speed at Buffalo right now, 14 down there at Jamestown, 22 at Bradford, even Toronto up to the north at 22 miles per hour. And yes, it's going to be rather breezy, but still a very pleasant afternoon shaping up across the area. Checking out the satellite picture at noontime. Look at the clear skies prevailing across all of the eastern lakes region. These clouds further to the west will start to approach as we get toward the morning hours tomorrow. Some high clouds at first, and we'll see some of those around here at least during the day tomorrow. And unfortunately, those clouds will probably obscure some of the sunshine, but still, even on Friday, it turns out to be a pretty nice day. Let's check it out. Super Microcast for this afternoon. The sunshine over the area. Again, maybe just a few stray clouds out there, but otherwise a beautiful afternoon pretty much region-wide. As we get into the nighttime period, mostly clear skies. High clouds start to work back in here again by morning, and we'll have some of those high clouds around during the day tomorrow. Again, they should be thin enough, though, to allow a decent amount of sun through. During the afternoon, it is possible along some lake breeze boundaries, especially to the south and east of the city, we could see a few rain showers pop up, mainly south and east of the city. And then on Saturday, I think we'll have a few spotty showers, but I think the computer is way overdoing this, especially across northern areas. The best chance of any showers popping up will probably be down here toward Chautauqua County and right along the Pennsylvania border. They will start to wind down toward nightfall, and then we could be dealing with, again, maybe a few spotty raindrops around here for Mom's Day, but by no means will it be a washout for Mother's Day. At least that's the way it looks right now. We'll take another look at it tonight. Of course, Don Paul will be in, and I'll look at it for you tomorrow morning. 55 degrees at Buffalo. Right now, we have 55 up at Niagara Falls, closing in on 60 already at Toronto as of the noon hour at Pearson Airport. Down to the south, just a tad cooler, Dunkirk and Jamestown, down through Bradford at 52 degrees and a 51-degree reading at Wellsville. Earlier this morning, Bradford, PA dropped down to 31 degrees. Similar type temperatures, especially in inland valleys by tomorrow morning. We'll see some of the readings dropping to about freezing. And believe it or not, earlier this morning, we had a few sprinkles back around 4 or 5 a.m., and they may have even been mixed with a few wet snowflakes across some of the higher terrain down there toward Allegheny County. At least our radar was suggesting that. But that's by the boards this afternoon. The sunset time, that is coming up at 8:21 this evening. Water temperature of 41 degrees off Buffalo on Lake Erie, and a pair of 4s at Rochester on Lake Ontario. Let's check out your forecast details for this afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, in fact, bright sunshine for this Thursday afternoon. It will be a bit breezy, and the high temperature between 53 to 58 degrees for the overnight. Mostly clear skies. Some high clouds arrive toward morning. The lows down to 32 or thereabouts in the deeper valleys, about 40 degrees in the city. Tomorrow, looking into partly sunny skies, a few afternoon rain showers, mainly to the south and east of the metro. Breezy, and it will be cooler around the metro with that breeze off the lake, about 57 downtown, but some interior sites up around 62. On Friday, maybe Saturday, partly to mostly sunny, cloudy or well to the south. Chance of a few afternoon rain showers, mainly down toward Chautauqua County and along the Pennsylvania border. The highs on Saturday, 58 to 63 degrees. And right now, I'm still figuring out lots of clouds around here on Sunday, and there could be a few spotty rain showers, but again, by no means a washout. High temp of 60 degrees, and the warming trend continues right into next week with some reasonably dry weather, too, maybe approaching 70 toward next Wednesday. So
70.
Finally starting to feel like spring out there.
You know where it's going to be most busy tonight. Well, aside from Cinco de Mayo, besides the Mexican bars, all the fields where all the baseball, soccer, outdoor activities had to be canceled this week.
And it's about time. At least the weather's going to cooperate,
Absolutely.
too.
You're a loved one today.
We're getting back on track.
Work on Mother's Day.